Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add someone on Telegram with QR code. So first, open up the Telegram app on your smartphone. Then tap on the hamburger menu in the top left corner of your screen. This will open up a menu with various options. Now, look for settings and tap on it. This will lead you to your settings list. Then, tap on Devices. Devices is the option you'll need to manage your account across various platforms, such as your mobile phone or laptop. Simply give it a click to open up this particular option. Upon selecting device options, you'll be presented with details pertaining to the device you're currently using with your Telegram app. Just beneath this information, you'll find an option labeled Link Desktop Device. So, go ahead and tap on it. Now, point your camera at the QR code of the contact you want to add friends. And make sure the code fits within the frame on your screen. Your phone will automatically scan the QR code and add the contact. Be mindful of what you're scanning. First and foremost, only scan QR codes from sources you trust. If someone you don't know sends you a QR code or you find one randomly online, it might be best to skip it. Stick with contacts you know or official groups and sites. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.